Hey there, history buffs! Ever picked up the phone and heard a robotic voice on the other end? Well, today, I'm diving into the quirky history of phone answering robots. Let's rewind to the mid-20th century. Believe it or not, the concept of a machine answering your calls was an extraordinary idea back then. In 1950, the first recorded phone answering machine was introduced by an inventor named Willy Muller. It was called the answer phone. Picture this, a bulky contraption that used magnetic recording technology. It was revolutionary. However, the idea didn't catch on immediately. The device was expensive, clunky, and, let's be honest, people were skeptical. Who wants a robot taking messages? Fast forward to the 1960s, the time of innovation and miniaturization. The answering machine got a makeover. Devices became smaller and more user-friendly, finally gaining traction with businesses. By the 1970s, almost every office had one. It was a game changer for companies who couldn't afford to miss a call. Productivity soared and businesses thrived. Now, let's talk about the evolution into the digital age. In the 1980s, answering machines started using tape cassettes. This made them more affordable and accessible to everyday consumers. Suddenly, everyone wanted one. It became a household staple. And soon, the era of the mundane, leave a message after the beep began. Ah, nostalgia. Entering the 1990s, voicemail systems emerged with the rise of the internet. They offered a digital solution to what had been a mechanical problem. This was a turning point. Voicemail allowed users to retrieve messages from anywhere. A true revolution in communication. Answering machines were slowly phased out, but their legacy remains. So, next time you hear a robotic voice on the phone, remember, you're listening to a piece of history. From Willy Muller's answer phone to today's virtual assistants, phone answering technology has come a long way. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe our next call will be answered by a sentient AI. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of history. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating tales from the past.